An amiable welcome to everyone. This is your I Like Them channel to enhance your understanding. Today's topic is about suction catheter. What is suctioning? Suctioning is a mechanical aspiration of pulmonary secretion from a patient with an artificial airway in place. There are three types of suctioning: endotracheal suctioning, oropharyngeal suctioning, nasopharyngeal suctioning. Endotracheal suctioning: removal of secretion from tracheobronchial tree through an endotracheal tube with the help of a mechanical suction device. Purpose of suctioning: maintaining the patient airway by removing the secretion, prevention of respiratory tract infection from the lodgement of secretion. Articles needed for suctioning: a sterile suction catheter, normal saline or sterile water in a container, sterile gloves, mask, face shield, alcohol swab, stethoscope, and a sterile tray containing a bowl, gauze pieces. Suction catheters of different sizes are available with different color codes. Most commonly used is 14, which is green. Endotracheal suctioning procedure. First, assemble the equipments and check the functioning of suction apparatus. Explain the procedure to his relatives or his patient. Assess the baseline data and respiratory status, which can be done by an ABG, which is also called as arterial blood gas analysis, and provide semi-fowler's position to the patient. Wear the mask and wash the hands properly. Open the sterile tray. Place the catheter into the sterile tray after removing from the pack. Wear the sterile gloves and use the dominant hand for suction. Connect suction catheter from the suction unit with other hand. Disconnect the patient from any oxygen source. Ventilate the patient with an ambu bag. Lubricate the catheter with sterile water or a normal saline. Turn on suction unit with clean hand. Pinch the catheter and insert the catheter without force until the patient cough or as the feeling of resistance takes place. Apply the suction by releasing the pinch and withdraw the catheter by gently rotating movement. Time duration for suction should not be more than 10 seconds. Hyperventilate the patient in between the suction or encourage for deep breath and coughing. Rinse the catheter from sterile water until it becomes clear from the secretion. Repeat the procedure as needed and provide rest between the suction. When airway becomes clear, connect the oxygen delivery system to the patient. Suction oral secretion from the oropharynx. When procedure is completed, turn off the suction unit and disconnect the suction tubing from the suction catheter. Remove the gloves and discard the catheter and gloves. This is a picture of a patient being suctioned with a suction catheter and an ET tube in place. Aftercare. Replace the article, clean ambu bag and mask with alcohol. Wash your hands. Provide comfortable position for the patient. Auscultate the lung area. Record the procedure with time, date, nature of secretion, and the respiratory sound before and after the procedure. Oropharyngeal and nasopharyngeal suctioning. Removal of the secretion from the oral cavity or nasal cavity and pharynx through the secretion. Purpose: removing the secretion from the airway, facilitating the ventilation, obtaining the secretion for any diagnostic procedures, preventing the infection. The articles needed for this type of suctioning is same as the articles needed in the endotracheal suctioning. Procedure: assemble the equipments and check the functioning of suction apparatus. Explain the procedure to the patient or his relative. Assess the baseline data respiratory status by an ABG. Provide semi-fowler's position. Wear the mask and wash the hands properly. Place towel or waterproof pad across the patient's chest. Connect the suction catheter to suction tubing connected with suction device. Turn on the suction. Remove the oxygen device. Insert the catheter to a mouth or nasal cavity. Move the catheter in cavity until the suction is cleared. Replace the mask or oxygen device. Rinse the catheter with water until the secretion is clear from the suctioning tube. In this picture, we can see that the patient is suctioned via a nasal route. This is called nasopharyngeal suctioning. Aftercare: evaluate the respiratory status, remove the towel and gloves, reposition the patient in a comfortable position, wash and clean the articles used in suction, replace the articles, wash your hands, document the procedure, finding, and condition of the patient pre and post suction. Thank you.